Good morning guys, in front of me is REALME Note 50 and let me show you how to activate backup by Google One. First, open the settings, then go to System and now mark backup right here. Now select both photos and videos and other device data if you want to activate full backup for photos, contacts, call history, device settings, app sign-up data, and also messages. And once it is marked, click on Confirm. Click on Manage Backup. And that's it. Backup by Google One is active and your device backs up data automatically over Wi-Fi after it's been idle and charging for 2 hours. Obviously, you can do it right now by tapping on Backup Now. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.